Take a thick GCM square paper and write Happy Birthday all over the paper. Now turn it around and make an envelope. Do not forget to add glue on it. Now for the flowers, we are going to make the easiest one. Just follow the step as I am doing in the video. For the leaves, I am using a green color, and then after cutting it into zigzag pattern, I will wrap it around the flower, and at the end I will secure it with the glue. And that's it, your cutest beautiful envelope is ready. Check out other videos for more such ideas.